Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys. I am not in my actual studio or actual setup. It has been shuffling for a while. But yeah, I am shuffling with some things so that I can get a much more better setup for you guys. So yeah, this is the setup for today. So let's get started with the tech news today. So Google released their Pixel 4a. They revealed their Pixel 5a 5G. So जो 5a है वो बेसिकली क्या है, एक 4a ही है, बट उसमें जो उन्होंने अपग्रेड्स लाए हैं वो दैट इज़ मच मोर लाइक इटरेटिव चेंज. जैसे OnePlus लेके आता है OnePlus 8 एंड OnePlus 8T. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ 5G वेरिएंट. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ 2 वेरिएंट फोन लाइक 4a एंड 4a 5G, बट इसमें एक लार्जर बैटरी है, लार्जर डिस्प्ले एंड इट इज कट डाउन ऑन प्राइस. इट वॉज $500 बट नाउ इट इज $450. इट हैज़ अ मेटल बॉडी एंड इट कम्स विद IP67 rating. So ये जो डिवाइस है, I think so this is one of the best like the Pixel devices that they have ever released, because जो बैटरी है वो 4680 mAh है and the chipset that is beneath it, it will be like really amazing. Plus it is 5G, so it is like future proofed, but it is only getting released in US and Japan. That's it. No other countries are included as of now, and they've also discontinued the Pixel 5. So they already knew that Pixel 5 sales will be like smashed. So yeah, they already like knew it and they discontinued the phone as well. So Intel के discrete GPU जो है वो काफ़ी टाइम से float हो रहे थे that they are going to make a discrete GPU, और अब Intel ने finally जो है वो announce कर दिया कि उनके discrete GPU जो है उनके नेम क्या होंगे. That will be called the ARC. As the Nvidia's GPUs are called the GeForce and the Radeon for the AMD, they will be called their ARC, and they will come with like whole host of features like ray tracing, DLSS. Their DLSS is called XeSS. So ये उनका एक proprietary name है. This is basically the DLSS that Fidelity Fix AMD कहती है, DLSS जो है उसे Nvidia कहती है. So this will come with like whole host of features. और Intel ने जो है डेमो जो अपलोड किया था, they gave a whole lot of games और उनके डेमोज जो है उन्होंने रन किए थे, but as we have seen, demos do not like relate to the actual performance of the GPU. So yeah, definitely this will be like one thing that we are going to see how they perform, and they are going to reveal their first GPU very soon. So Nvidia already अपने end से जो है एक माइनर का लिमिटर लगा चुका है on their like new series of card 3060, 3070, 3080, but NV miners ने उसका भी एक तोड़ निकाल दिया, and now they have uplifted the mining capability up to 70% of those cards. So yeah, the Nvidia's unhackable miner limiter is like really crap, and they like did it, and I think so they hopefully will sell it for like couple of bucks to make their money off on. So Amazon already crypto leads के लिए hiring जो है वो शुरू कर चुके हैं, and now Walmart has also done the same. So Walmart और Amazon दोनों जो है they are like going to accept cryptocurrencies hopefully in the future as a payment method. So AMD already अपने Milan codename CPUs जो है वो reveal कर चुके हैं, and now they are ramping up the game with even more cores. So जो अब नया वाला उनका CPU आने वाला, that is called Genoa, and that will come with a 96 core 192 thread CPU. So that is going to be insane, and I don't think so Intel is coming anywhere near this chip, because this is a like complete monster of a chip on paper as of now, and if it comes to reality it will crush everything. So Microsoft जो है usually अपने products को जो है वो always they like force it on the users, and they are doing the same with Edge browser. So अगर आपको Windows 11 आप use कर रहे हो and you will get the prompt of like selecting the browser, if you had not selected the Windows, so if you have selected Edge on that pane, it will be like so much harder for you to change the default browser, because आपको settings में जाके हर एक extensions के लिए आपको जो अपना default web browser है वो change करना पड़ेगा, and that is like really frustrating, because this was just one click job on Windows 10, but they are like forcing users to use Edge on Windows 11. So US जो है Facebook को force कर रहा है that they should sell Instagram because of their monopoly on this whole social networks, because Facebook already owns WhatsApp as well as Instagram, so they do not have like a clear competitor on their eyes, like, and I don't think so even Snapchat is anywhere near them or Twitter, because these two social networks like contribute a lot. Majority of the internet social media is contributed by Instagram as well as Facebook. So yeah, US is definitely going to like force them, but I don't think so they are going through with that. So a news popped out कि cyber criminals जो है उन्होंने एक person को जो है push किया to sell the data or sell like mainframe computer access, to sell the mainframe access of their system servers to like give them 40% cut of what they will like recover from the ransomware that they will plant in a company. So this is getting really weird, because if a company like the inner employees give the access to the cyber criminals, that it will be like very easy for them to get into the servers and like place the malicious software and also collect ransom. So Realme जो है अपनी Realme book reveal कर चुके हैं in India, and it starts from 46,000 rupees with the i3 11th generation CPU, and it goes up to i5 only, so that will cost you 57,000 Indian rupees, but that comes with the Thunderbolt port. That is a really great offering, because I don't think so there is any other laptop that offers Thunderbolt at such cheaper rates. और उन्होंने अपना जो GT वर्जन है उनके devices भी reveal कर दिए हैं, the lower one with the like 700 series processor that will come with a 28,000 price mark, and the 888 GT phone will come at 38,000 rupees. ये जो है MI का जो 11X है, the bigger brother of this phone, that will like be undercut by this phone for like 1 or 2,000 rupees as of the base price. So ये जो है काफ़ी अच्छा promising device लग रहा है, and with the Snapdragon 888 inside it will be like a really good performer device. So OnePlus जो है Indian market में अपने एक premium truly wireless earbud निकालने वाला है, that will come with LDAC. So LDAC definitely means that they are going to sound really great, and also they will support ANC, that is active noise cancellation, wireless charging, and IP55 they are rated. So ये जो है काफ़ी I think so it will be expensive. It will be like around 10,000 rupees if I'm correct, but we have to see how they will release it and what the price point is, but they definitely sound expensive. MI may be making a new MI11 like device that might be called MI11T with a 120 watts wired charging. That will be insane. 120 watts of wired charging will like top out your battery in mere minutes, and this will be maybe called the MI11T, but we have to see. And 120 watts of charging, it will be insane. So Microsoft ने Xbox के एक wired headphones reveal किए for $60 in the US, but sadly it's not coming to India. So Motorola ने अपना Edge 2021 edition जो है वो reveal कर दिया. That comes with the Snapdragon 778. 778 is a really great SoC because it comes with a quad-core A78 cluster and a A55 cluster, and the GPU is Adreno 640. So this is going to be a really great performer, and it also comes with a 108 megapixel camera, 5000 mAh battery, IP52 rated, and it has a 6.8 inch 120 Hz OLED display. So definitely it has the firepower for battling with the premiums. So Motorola might be releasing a tab that is a rebranded Lenovo. This is no shock because Lenovo already owns Motorola. So yeah, definitely they can do it, but I don't think so that Motorola should do that. So Intel की 13th generation Raptor Lake CPUs के जो हैं already leaks आने शुरू हो चुके हैं, and the leaks suggest that they can be clocked as high as 5.5 GHz on the i9 variant, and I don't think so that they are kidding, because already जो है हमारे पास 11th generation जो आ चुकी है, but the ones that are out they boost like up to crazy 5.2 GHz and then they drop like drastically because they need enough cooling. So ROG Phone 5s is officially out with the Snapdragon 888 Plus and up to 24 GB RAM. Who will use 24 gigs of RAM on a mobile device? That is really insane. I think so that up to 16 GB it is sensible. It is not even sensible up to 16 GB, but up to 16 GB, even if you are hyping it, is great, but 24 GB is straight up insanity. So T-Mobile got hacked and the hackers got 50 million users data. This is a really huge amount of numbers, including their social security numbers, email, name and addresses. This is some of their private stuff that has been leaked by T-Mobile. So Bose finally might be making the true successor for the QC35. They were the Quiet Comfort 35 and the Quiet Comfort 45 leaks are already in the market. So yeah, definitely we are on the lookout for that, and these are going to be expensive because the QC35 was already a very premium set of cans, but this is going to be more expensive because the QC35 are really old and the 45 will be a step higher as well as newer. So as I told in the previous tech news, Samsung अपना जो Galaxy A52s है 5G variant जो है वो reveal कर चुके हैं, at least in the US. So it comes with a Snapdragon 778, which is a really great SoC, I just told you, and there is no signs that it is coming to India, and I'm really skeptical that it is even coming to India. But wait, the M32 5G is really coming to India. It will be revealing with a Dimensity 720 chipset. That is the one of the newest chipset that is available from MediaTek. It will support a quite lot of 5G band. So yeah, definitely if you are going to future-proof your device, this might be it. So guys, that was it for this week's tech news. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.